Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to change digital product to physical product in your Shopify admin panel. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on product section. And here I am adding a new product. And you can add the description. Then scroll down here, you can add the price. And here in the shipping, it is mentioned this is a physical product. So if you want to change digital product to your physical product, then you need to click on this that this is a physical product. Then you can add weight for that. It is optional. Then save your changes. Now the product has been created. So that's it. You have successfully changed digital product to your physical product. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.